Hello and welcome back everyone to another YouTube video. In today's video I will explain and solve the problem set 0 making faces. So in this problem we want to implement a program, but this program will actually uh, contain two functions, which are the main function and a function that we will make, which we will call convert. So what we want to do is take input from user and replace this with the slightly smiling emoji here and the same here. So let's first make our main function, and here we will I think we'll just call the convert function. So here let's develop our convert, and actually we can make a change here. So let's here take the input from the user. uh, Let's make a variable called message, or not message because it's not really descriptive. You know what? Let's just call it s, and this is going to be the input that the user will provide. And let's make this function takes a parameter, and let's pass in this parameter. And let's now make our convert function. So as we did before in the last video, we will use the convert method. So let's use it and assign it to the variable s again. So s is going to be equal to s using the method replace, and replacing, replace, we replace this with the equivalent emoji. So let's put them here, and let's do the same thing again for the other emoji. And we can do this in separate lines, but I think it's better this way to keep our code clean and short. And at the end, let's return our string is. So we have to call the main function at the end. So let's give it a try and see. And so yeah, let's try uh, a string without any emojis, just a normal string. So let's type hello world, and nothing was printed because here we didn't print the return from this function. So let's print the return from this function, and let's try again. This should work now. Yeah, that's great. It's the string is not changed. Okay, now let's see if we add some stuff like this. So let's type hello and this and this, not this. So this should output hello, then a slightly smiling face twice, then a slightly frowning face twice. Okay, now it's working actually, so that's great. Let's see if anything is missing. Okay, now we can delete these comments. Yeah, I think our program is ready now. Let's use check 50 just to make sure. So yeah, as you can see, we passed every test. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.